In practical terms, your soul perceives itself as being priceless. Your soul doesn't work by the hour. Bad news, right? For some of you, it sure was for me. It doesn't work by the hour. We're seeing how the whole employee-employer relationship is in the process of a major overhaul, in part as a reflection of how the light of your soul can inspire changes in all forms. All this is happening because of the value you're now willing to place on your own energy. That's one of the reasons we've been such strong advocates for being self-employed. For over 95% of my life, that's all I've ever known. But for that to be sustainable, at least from my perspective, you really need to clean up your inner reality. No more playing the victim, because there's no one to blame if you find yourself unable to pay your bills. We notice, however, for some of you, you've taken a very, let's say, passive approach to letting your own energy now support you. If you use that same approach while playing the role of an employee, well, more than likely, you're going to get fired. So shifting your attention to your inner reality, we're here to declare it can set you free. And one of the things I just love about Michael, he's really clear that he's not here to entertain you with countless stories. He prefers to just get to the core of matters. And if any of you need a little support to help you feel more confident about being self-employed, well, feel free to check out the Employ You video on our website.